Good day to every single one of you, wherever you may be in the world. My name's Israel Josie. This is Astrology of the Soul. Basically, this is just a short invitation for anybody out there or any of you guys who are watching this who are interested in learning about astrology. Perhaps you know about your sun signs, you want to know more about it, what is an astrological chart, what is astrology, how does it work? Well, I'm putting together a free live online webinar. So this gives you the opportunity to be able to join, log on from anywhere in the world. You can use any device from your iPhone or Android phone, your tablet, your laptop PC, home PC. You can learn pretty much anywhere in the world. All you need is pretty much a decent internet connection. And I'm putting together a live free introductory class on the 5th of September. If you are interested and you want to know more about the science of astrology, what it's about, I want to clear up all the misconceptions. If you've got any questions that you want to ask me in regards of the upcoming course that I'm putting together also as well. So I'm putting a certified astrology course together. So for anybody of you, again, who want to pursue that so that you can learn more about astrology and know how to know more about it or where to start, what it entails, all will be revealed, all will be explained on the 5th of September. So all you need to do is you need to just drop me an email. My email is astrologyofthesoul@gmail.com. I repeat that again. It's astrologyofthesoul@gmail.com. It's quite easy to remember. And if you're watching this video, you should have actually the email address actually that goes along with it. So come along, join me. You can log on. It's going to be a free introductory class. I may even be doing two. So there is going to be one on the 5th of September. There should be another one also on the 13th of September also as well. And by the 3rd week of September, the course is going to be starting, a certified course for any of you who do want to take on astrology, on a much more deeper level, want to be certified, want to know what astrology is about, how to use it, its powers, or what astrology is and what astrology isn't. All of those things I will be explaining on the 5th of September. So hit me up, send me an email, and I will send you the link. And like I said, you can log on anywhere in the world. Everybody's invited. You're all invited. Be sure to make the connections, and I look forward to seeing you on the 5th of September. Thank you very much.